how to use Easy Scan to Email. With Brother's Scan to Email app, you can send any document to any email address with the touch of a button. This is a quick and easy way to scan your documents so that you can either forward the documents to another recipient or file it onto your computer. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use the Easy Scan to Email feature on your Brother MFC and save the settings as a shortcut. Here's how you can set up your email address, scan settings, and shortcut. Make sure your Brother product is connected to your network and has internet access. If you have not set up your Wi-Fi, please watch this video first. Scroll on the menu to Apps. And then scroll and select Easy Scan to Email. Select Edit Account. Select Register Account and press OK. Enter the email address you'd like to send to and then press OK. This of course may not be your own. Next, enter the name you'd like to be displayed for this email address. In this example, we'll set it up for Henry. Then press OK. You can choose to protect your email button with a PIN code. This is handy for office environments where the machine is shared amongst a group of people, but if this is your own personal machine, just press No. If you select Yes, please enter an easy-to-remember PIN code and then press OK. Check the email address and PIN code to make sure all the details are correct, and then press Yes. Next, select the file type. If this process is one you would like to do often, we'd suggest creating a shortcut so you don't have to repeat this process every time. If you'd like to do that, select Yes in the Creating Shortcut section. Otherwise, you can work through the scan settings you'd like to apply. The options that you can change are the email subject line, scanning single-page or multi-page documents, scanning colour or black and white, which resolution you'd like to scan in, and the file type. You also have the option to change the size of the document. Once you have completed these steps, press OK, and then scan the document to do a test. Your device will begin to scan the document and send it to your chosen email address. If you selected Yes to creating a shortcut, you can now save the settings you've just created by selecting OK. Then select a shortcut button on your device to save your settings, followed by a shortcut name. We recommend naming this shortcut the same as your email name for easy reference. Press OK when complete. And that's all done. The next time you want to scan a document quickly to an email address, all you need to do is press the shortcut button, press the name of the email, and then OK. This is also a fantastic way to share documents amongst your team. For example, if your department has a shared email address, you can share the document to everyone in one go.